Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a complete, step-by-step tutorial on how to install CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2025 on Windows 11. Make sure to follow each step carefully so the installation runs smoothly without any errors. First, open your browser and go to the official Corel website. From the home page, navigate to the free trial. This free trial is 16 days. Before you decide to buy or not, here you will redirect to CorelDRAW web. See the option to download the installer at the bottom file menu. Click the download free trial button, and the setup file will start downloading automatically. The file size can be quite large, so depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. In this video I'm using IDM. Once the download is complete, just open. After the installer launches, you'll see the CorelDRAW setup window. Please wait, CorelDRAW is downloading the installation file and the installer will now begin copying files and setting up CorelDRAW 2025 on your system. This process can take several minutes depending on your computer's performance. Just wait until the progress bar reaches 100%. Do not close the installer or shut down your computer during this process. Graphics Suite 2025 is now installed on your Windows 11 system. You can launch the application from the Start menu or the desktop shortcut. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. You have to read the EULA until the end or just scroll to the end and then click Agree. After that, you will be asked to sign in with your CorelDRAW account. If you don't have one yet, click Create Account and complete the registration. It only takes a moment. Once you're signed in, you will redirect to your account to see your trial serial number and date expired. And that's it. You have successfully installed CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2025 trial or evaluation copy. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching.